Manoy Xandie Tina.
Wow.
Okay. And GoBicol.com. Appreciation and commendation. The men and women of www.GoBicol.com are proud to present the certificate of appreciation to Xandie Tina for his noble efforts in creating www.GoBicol.com website, where Bicolanos around the world have found themselves united towards the progress of the Bicol region and the Philippines.
Wow.
Signed December 5, 2008, and there are some GoBicol members from the Philippines that signed it. And one of them is our beloved Pai Kaloy.
Wow.
Xandie? Next one is Certificate of Appreciation. The men and women of www.GoBicol.com are proud to present the Certificate of Appreciation to Ben Gonzales.
Wow.
Okay. I'll read the citation once again. For his active participation and continued support to GoBicol's outreach activities in Albay last December 2006 to January 2007 and March 22, 2008, as well as in Camarines Sur last December 5, 2008. His civic mindedness in bringing a positive change to Bicol region, Ben's consciousness of the multifaceted socioeconomic issues affecting Bicolanos has generated an infectious concern among his brethren at GoBicol's online community, which has grown into a potent force nurturing the development of Bicolandia. And once again, it was signed by some of our members from the Bicol region and around the world. Okay, Ben, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, picture. Somebody. Okay. 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 Last but not least, it's for me. Okay. The men and women of GoBicol are proud to present the certificate of appreciation to Rod Peralta for his active participation and continued support of GoBicol's outreach activities in Albay last December 2006 to January 2007 and March 22, 2008, as well as in Camarines Sur last December 5, 2008. His civic mindedness in bringing a positive change to the Bicol region, Rod's consciousness of the multifaceted socioeconomic issues affecting Bicolanos has generated an infectious concern among the brethren at GoBicol's online community, which has now grown into a potent force nurturing